You watch what you eat, try to stay active, but the cellulite just won't go away, especially on your thighs and butt. Ever thought that the problem might actually be what happens at night? Yep, while you're asleep, a few everyday habits that seem totally harmless could be quietly making your cellulite worse. In today's video, I'm breaking down the 3 worst nighttime habits that make cellulite more visible while you sleep, and most importantly, what you can do tonight to start reversing the damage. Stick around till the end, because these tips are quick, super doable, and could completely change the way your skin looks, and the way you feel when you wake up. Here's the thing. When you're asleep, your body goes into deep clean mode. That's when it flushes out toxins, boosts circulation, balances hormones, and repairs your skin. This is also prime time for collagen production, fat burning, and reducing inflammation. But if your nighttime habits are out of sync, your body can't do what it's meant to do, and your skin pays the price. The problem is, most people have no idea how their evening habits are making their cellulite worse. The 3 things I'm about to share are super common, and we often do them without thinking. So let's get right to it. Bad habit number 1. Eating sugar or drinking alcohol before bed. That little dessert after dinner? Or that glass of wine to unwind? Seems innocent, but both can mess with your body in ways that directly impact your skin. Sugar spikes your insulin levels, messes with your hormones, and triggers fat storage, especially in stubborn areas like the thighs and butt. Alcohol, on the other hand, dehydrates your skin, causes inflammation, and interferes with sleep quality. And when your body can't get deep, restful sleep, it can't detox properly, and your skin can't repair itself. So what should you do instead? Try switching to smart evening swaps. A cup of herbal tea like dandelion, ginger, or hibiscus can help flush out excess fluids and soothe your body. If you're craving something sweet, go for berries or a small apple. They're anti-inflammatory and low glycemic. Bad habit number 2. Being inactive before bed. No movement, no circulation. After a long day, it's tempting to crash on the couch and scroll your phone or binge a show, and then head straight to bed. But all that sitting and lying down can reduce circulation in the legs and glutes. And poor circulation equals more fluid retention, more toxins, and more cellulite. Good news is, it doesn't take much to fix this. Just 5 to 10 minutes of light movement before bed can do wonders. Try a short walk around the house, a few gentle stretches, or even marching in place. Not into that. Prop your legs up against the wall for a few minutes or do ankle circles while sitting. Both are great for blood flow and lymphatic drainage. Bad habit number 3. Using your phone or watching TV until you fall asleep. This one's huge. The blue light from screens tells your brain to stay alert, which throws off your melatonin production and messes with your natural sleep rhythm. The result? You don't get into deep sleep, your body can't heal properly, and you miss out on that nighttime detox. On top of that, poor sleep increases cortisol, your stress hormone, and decreases collagen production. A terrible combo when it comes to skin tone and firmness. So here's your move. Unplug at least 30 minutes before bed. Dim the lights, put your phone on airplane mode, read a real book, take a warm shower, or listen to calming music. Just give your brain and body time to wind down. And if you must use a device, at least turn on night mode and lower the screen brightness. Now that you know the 3 habits to avoid, let me give you a super simple nighttime reset routine you can start right now. Skip the sweets and wine after dinner. Try herbal tea and a light, skin-friendly snack if needed. Get your blood flowing with light movement. Stretch, walk, elevate your legs. Shut down screens and set a calm, low-light vibe to help your body shift into sleep mode. This tiny routine might seem simple, but it can totally shift how your body functions overnight, and how your skin looks in the morning. After just a few days, you might notice less puffiness, smoother texture, and a real difference in the way your thighs and glutes feel. Because here's the truth. Cellulite won't disappear overnight, but when you align your habits with your body's natural detox process, you'll start seeing real, visible changes. So now I want to hear from you. Which of these habits are you guilty of? Drop it in the comments. And if you're up for a challenge, Try this new nighttime routine for just 7 nights. Then come back and tell me what you noticed. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips that actually work, and share this with someone you know who's frustrated with stubborn cellulite and doesn't know where to start. Remember, your body doesn't need extreme diets or fancy creams. It just needs you to stop getting in the way of its natural rhythm. Start tonight. Sleep for your skin, not against it.